Today is Saturday. We're gonna make a good breakfast because we have time. So I'm gonna bake some muffins. We went out last night for tacos and margaritas, and I feel salty. So I want to have a big smoothie to rehydrate. So first things first, I come over and say hi to Hazy. Hi Hazy, how are we? Okay, that's how we're doing. Did you have a good sleep, honey? Those are the socks she found and just left there. Now we're gonna go find Willa. I don't know where she is right now. What are you doing up already? How long have you been awake? Okay, she was really quiet. I didn't even know she was, I thought she was gonna be in her little spot right there. But no. Okay, Hazy's going up in her little chair. Yeah. This is her favorite chair in the whole house. Normally, I come out here and assess what is happening in our kitchen and why is it not clean. So here, Hazel, your bandana. Here, honey. You forgot your bandana. Do you want to put it on? Oh, there. Wow. You look so good. There you go, honey. Now you're not naked. For the next exciting portion of this morning routine, we're gonna fold laundry because we have two big dogs and we use towels for pretty much everything with them. I also am going to vacuum because we literally have to vacuum every single day. Okay, shower time. So for shampoo, I alternate between Olaplex and this shampoo bar from my friend Katie. And I'm trying to switch over to just using a shampoo bar, but I still have to use some of this up. And I also do like alternating. And then for conditioner, I use Olaplex, or I just use this hair mask. And I already brushed my teeth when I woke up. Obviously, I just didn't show that, but I use this bamboo toothbrush from Humble Brush. I normally shower every day, like a rinse off type of shower, but I don't wash my hair every day. I try not to wash my hair. I mean, I try to go as many days without washing it as I can. So yeah, had a busy morning, did a lot, and I haven't even had coffee yet, but that's usually how it works. Because usually there's just a bunch of stuff that needs to be done. And I think I'm gonna go make my muffins soon. Make a smoothie. Probably make the smoothie while the muffins are baking. I think I'm gonna do like an acai type of smoothie. So that's what I usually do for makeup every day. I'm going to let my hair air dry a little bit, and I'm gonna go make some breakfast.
Okay, so for these yogurt muffins, you're going to add 2.5 cups of flour to a mixing bowl, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then I added in a few shakes of cinnamon, which would be about a teaspoon. Then you can add a pinch of salt and whisk it all together until it's combined. Next, you want to add 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of oat milk, a 1/2 cup of oil, and 1 cup of vegan yogurt. I used vanilla coconut yogurt, and then you can add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you want to mix that all up until it's combined, and it will be a really thick batter. You can feel free to add whatever you like. You could do chocolate chips, any type of berry, but I decided to do 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries. And then you can just divide that between 12 muffin cups, and I chose to grease mine with a little bit of cooking spray because I didn't have any muffin liners, but of course muffin liners work as well. And then you want to bake those at 425 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, and then turn the oven down to 375 and bake them for another 15 minutes. And while those are baking, I'm going to make my smoothie. So I added in some oat milk, some orange juice, and my absolute favorite protein powder. It is the Four Sigmatic plant-based protein with superfoods. This is organic, gluten-free, and vegan. It comes with a scoop, so I just did a scoop of it. It's packed with functional mushrooms, so chaga, reishi, cordyceps, lion's mane, turkey tail, and ashwagandha, and it is free of gums, fillers, and artificial flavors, and it is also free of stevia. So you can add it to your favorite smoothie or make a shake with it with just some plant-based milk or some water. And it has 18 grams of sustainably sourced protein, 1,000 milligrams of functional mushrooms, and 500 milligrams of adaptogens. So make sure to click the link in the description box to get 15% off of my favorite protein powder, and your discount code will just be auto-applied at the checkout. All of the Four Sigmatic products are affordable, and the site is really cool as well. You can sort things like type of mushroom and the benefits you're looking for, and the product reviews are all really great. So click the link in the description to get 15% off, plus you can get free shipping on orders of $100 or more. And thus concludes my morning routine. Since I do work from home, my mornings are generally kind of similar. Hun? Will, are you good? Just having a back scratch? Okay, so because I work from home, my mornings generally are kind of similar in terms of like, we walk the dogs, we vacuum, we shower, we make breakfast. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. The yogurt that I used wasn't super tangy. It was a bit more on the sweet side, so I feel like if you used a super tangy yogurt, these would be even better. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. So you can head to foursigmatic.com to check out the protein powder, and to find it, you can just click on this button here, which says Defend, and then that will show you all of their Defend line of products. And then this is the protein powder right here. My absolute favorite is the unflavored. It has no stevia, no gums or fillers or anything like that, but I just love that it truly is unflavored. You can see the entire ingredients list. So they have the highlighted ingredients here that you might be interested in, and then you can see all of the other things in it. And then you can also scroll down and see all of the reviews. It has amazing reviews, so definitely go check it out. I know you guys are going to love it, and make sure you click the link below to get 15% off. And if you order over $100 or more, you can get free shipping as well.